Hi. Okay, so I wanted to do some DIYs and some quick hacks that I've done myself. I really try not to be on YouTube, coming up with things other people have done. I really like to come up with my own things, so I'm still working on it. But yeah, so the first thing I wanted to say was I bought these Amazon. If you know, you know. But I bought these Amazon trash bags and I opened it up from the top. It didn't have anywhere to just pull them out easily. So all I did was cut a slice in there, and now I'm able to easily pull the bags out instead of, struggling to get these bags out and having those everywhere. Next is a Lazy Susan. I've had this for years now. And what it is that usually you'll find these for the spices. People use them in the kitchen. I just use these to display some of my perfumes and some of my lotions. I've had this for years, so you may hear it squeaking a little bit in the background. Next thing is the kids like to come over and do their nails. I have a vanity where they can sit at. And so, yeah, they have nails and everything all over the place. I was putting them in a Ziploc bag to kind of keep them together. But instead, I'm just going to transfer everything here. This organizer is going to be a lifesaver. I've had it for months and I've never used it. So I think that came from the Dollar Tree. And then this instantly makes your home smell really good. I got these from Dollar General. And then, yeah, so I think they were on sale at the time. Got that for like $1. Another thing I got from Dollar General, a lot of times, if you want to make crafts, you can use these glitter papers. I think it was 5 for $4 or $4.50. It's different colors. And then since the kids, when they come over, they like to have something to do, I have plenty of craft things they can make. So you can always make your own pictures. Just take whatever picture they have out of the frame and you can do DIY crafts that way. Another thing that I did, I made this myself. Sometimes I'll use gift wrapping paper if I like the print. Sometimes it'll be a bag, like a nice maybe birthday bag or something. I'll cut it out, I'll put it in the frame, and then I'll embellish it. So these stickers I embellished, some as you can see. And the frame, I think it was like $2 or $4 at the thrift store. But yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick DIY. If you haven't, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Everyone take care, and bye for now.